And while I have yet to figure out who's dropping these hoses and damaging them, and you see this plug don't want to go in. Told the tank washers to quit pushing them back in so I could hammer on them and fix them. I got a new hammer that, for some reason, seems to do a pretty good job. The big hammers don't work as well. So you have to look and see where it's bent. That's what we're talking about when we say it's egged out. And this one starts right here. If we were hauling something besides paint, I wouldn't do this. There's little edges on some of these cheap hoses too. Alright, so right here. And now look there. Big damn difference. We have had drivers. I know Greg told me it took him 20 minutes to get a plug out to get unloaded. He was afraid he wasn't going to be able to do it. Anyway, maybe I'm getting more of them fixed.